Hello guys, in this video I'll show you if you do want to see which version of VS Code you are using. If you do want to see every information related to your VS Code, simply go to the menu and go to the help section, and inside this at the bottom side corner of the screen there will be this option called as about. So you need to select this about option. So this will exactly tell you which version of VS Code you are using. Go to about, and right here you exactly see which VS Code version you are using. So in my case we are using 1.109.5. So all this information, if you do want to copy to clipboard, you click the copy button. Every information will be copied. So click the copy button, and right here you can paste it. So if you do want to share this information with anyone, you can share it simply by clicking the copy button. So this is your VS Code version that you are using, the date, which technologies it uses, Electron, Chromium, Node.js. As you see, VS Code is built in Node.js, Chromium, Electron. It's Electron app. So each and every information is actually copied, and we can simply write it into a file, and then you can share it with anyone. So this is a complete tutorial. Simply go to menu, help, go to help section and about. Simply copy this, and then you can create a file.txt and basically paste this information. So